So most people take chicken, put some rub on it, put it in the smoker, and kind of hope they get a good chicken that comes out with juicy, a bite through skin, and great color on it. That's not how the Pitmaster does it. So I'm gonna try to take this chicken, how to brine it, how to spatchcock it, how to make this butter herb mixture, put it in there, get really good flavor, and how to smoke it so you can get really good color on it with great bite through skin every time, and also juicy. So I'm Jason Hardy with Elite BBQ Smokers. Let's get to prepping. So we get cooking. Come on, go try this bad boy. So if it's smoked turkey and smoked chicken we'll do tomorrow, I want to brine it. I want to brine this thing overnight, about 12 hours. First off, what I got here, this is a food safe bucket. This is a Yeti bucket we've got. I'm going to take the turkey while it's still in the packaging right now and put it in here along with my chicken, my whole chicken, put it in there. The reason for that is I don't know how much water I need to submerge it. So now as you can see, both my chicken and my turkey is submerged in here. So I know that's how much water I need to brine this turkey and the chicken. So no bad math, we got 28 cups of water going in this Yeti bucket to brine both the turkey and the chicken. The math works out with this Heath Riles chicken injection, do 3.5 cups of this to the water. Put this in the refrigerator, let it brine overnight. Tomorrow, we're gonna smoke up these turkeys and this chicken. See you tomorrow. So we got our chicken here now. This chicken's been brining right at 12 hours. Get ready to cook it up. But first, I'm gonna spatchcock it. Backbone here, get a pair of shears. Just come down to both sides of the backbone. Again on the other side. Come right here, breastbone at the top. Just pick it and break it. Now when I take this and flip this over just like this, you lay it down, it'll flatten right out easy. So now what I'm doing, I'm making my butter herb mixture. Start off with 2 sticks of Kerrygold's unsalted butter, room temperature, a tablespoon of fresh chopped thyme, a tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary, about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, the zest from 1 lemon, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Just kind of mix it all together. I tried this with a spoon, this just works better. Now, I'm gonna go here underneath it, take my hand, get in between the skin and the meat, just take my finger and try to break into it. Once I kind of break it a little bit, then I take the rest of my hand and kind of work its way around. Just breaking that fat loose from that skin. Come here on my leg quarters. Do the same thing. And I want to push down in my legs, just like that. So I put about this much here in each breast. Once I put in there, just take my skin, you kind of can squeeze around with this through the skin. You get all over that meat. Alright, now I'm take about this much and put in this side. Take it and push it around. So my first rub today, get a good flavor, I'm doing Elite BBQ Smokers chicken rub. This is our chicken rub, salt-based rub. Next will be Elite BBQ Smokers Smoky Heat Rub. Get a little bit of heat with some color. Go put this bad boy in the smoker. Come on. So I'm cooking this chicken today on my Rectech 1250 at 300 degrees using a blend of royal oak charcoal pellets with hickory pellets. Good flavor in there. I'm gonna let this go about 30 minutes. As you notice right now, I put this chicken in here with a rack without order pan underneath it. Reason for that, I'll have the first 30 minutes kind of be a dry, get kind of a dry heat. Oh, it's been right at 30 minutes. What I'm gonna do now is take my chicken, pick it up, and put a half pan underneath it, and put it back in the smoker. Then I'll add some water to it. I'm about halfway fill up the half pan, about halfway with water. I'll put it back in the smoker. I'll let this go about another 30 minutes. What I'm looking for right now is get a good mahogany color on the outside of it. My target temperature on my breast will be 165, and my thighs 175 to 180. Let it keep cooking about another 30 minutes. Come back and see what you got. So it's been about an hour on our chicken. Let's spritz it. So I want to do this, keep a good mahogany color on our chicken right now. Make sure I keep it moist. I'll keep doing this about every 15 minutes. Keep checking temperature. All right, so we're about 3.5 hours into our cook with our chicken. Let's see what it looks like. Got a really nice color on it, don't it? See that there? Pull you up here a little bit. See, we got temperature wise 150 there, 164, 160. Looking good. Let it keep cooking. All right, about 4 hours and 15 minutes into our cook. Let's see what we got with chicken. Been about 10 minutes. Let's pull the chicken off. Nice and tacky. Exactly what we're looking for right there. I'm carry the chicken inside and I'll let it rest about 25 to 30 minutes. And we'll slice it up. See it inside. Alright, so brought it inside. We've let it rest about 30 minutes here. We took some pictures of it. I'm gonna tell you right now, bad boy looks amazing, don't it? So I'm gonna start right here. Get my wings. Pull right off pretty easy here. Chicken quarters. Should come off pretty easy right here. Alright. Let's slice up a chicken breast. Cheers. Oh man. The breast got really good flavor to it. The brine's got the flavor down inside the piece of meat. That herb butter mixture's got really good flavor outside, kind of also getting into the meat. The rub on outside's got some good flavor to it. A little bit of heat coming through it. Got that great mahogany color. The skin's bite through, just like we're looking for. Really good chicken. Really enjoying it. If I say anything to it, it might be a tad dry. We might have overshot this one a little bit. Let's try the thigh right here. Cheers. Now that's perfect. I'm more of a thigh guy over a breast anyhow. This right here is absolutely the best recipe. Just do me a favor. Make sure you don't overcook your breast. This one might be a tad dry. Other than that, perfect recipe. If you don't mind, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this recipe. How do you cook your chicken? Love to hear about that. And please subscribe to our channel. Now, with that being stated, time to go inside and eat supper. But first, let's see what Dolly and Lucy thinks. Come on, girls. Lucy, good girl. Dolly, good girl. Well, Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, I know you'll fall in love with it. Now say the blessing. Lord, bless food by received. Just name pray. Amen. Hey, appreciate y'all watching. Check this recipe out. See you next time. Oh, make sure you check out the turkey recipe. Cheers.